What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Adore You by Juice-wrld. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double karate chop your taint off of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that repeat, as well as a little lead riff that repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook in the video description, as well as the guitar tab for the lead part. I'll have a link for both of those in the video description, so if you need them, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. Starting with the chords that repeat throughout the song, you're going to start with the D minor chord. It's going to be, you're going to bar the 5th fret starting on the A string with your index finger. Ring finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G, middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. Then move that down to an A minor bar chord. Bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger. Ring finger on the 7th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D. Slide that up 1 fret to a B flat major. Still bar the entire 6th fret with your index finger. Ring finger on the 8th fret of the A, pinky finger 8th fret D, middle finger on the 7th fret of the G. And then G minor, bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger. Ring finger 5th fret A, pinky finger 5th fret D. Once you get the chords down, you just need your palm muting pattern. For you beginners, you can just use the power chord versions of these. That's, instead of barring, you're just going to use your index, ring, and pinky. So if that's easier, you can do it that way. I like to do the full chord, but like I said, if you just need to do the power chords, that's fine as well. We're going to be palm muting through these. You're going to put the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar, to where when you strum, they're muted, but you can still tell that there's a chord there. If you're too far forward, you won't get anything, and if you're too far back, it'll ring out too much. So find the spot where you get this punchy, kind of muted sound. For your strumming pattern, you will be palm muting down 8 times with an up coming right after your 8th time. So it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Once you get the rhythm part down, I'll show you how to play the lead part that repeats throughout the entire song. We're going to start with your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string, index finger on the 6th fret of the B, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the high E string. Now, there's 4 parts to this little lead part. They're almost all the exact same. The only thing that's changing is the root note. So you will always have those 2 notes playing. Most of the time it's going to be your index and your pinky, but on the last note you will switch to your middle finger and your pinky. And I'll show you what that means. So starting here, you're picking G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B. And again, that picking pattern is going to stay almost the exact same way throughout the entire thing. So then move your middle finger down to the 7th fret on the D string, pick the exact same way, just substituting the G for the D. Then put your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D, pick the exact same way. And then now move that middle finger to the B string where your index finger was and put your index finger on the 5th fret of the D string and pick the exact same way. Now I'm going to play through that whole thing slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.